Welcome! Today we'll explore one of the key features of the Nikon Z50, white balance, which allows you to control the color temperature of your images. Do you see the difference? It's all thanks to white balance. You could use the appropriate setting depending on the lighting conditions. Now, let's dive into how to adjust it on your Nikon Z50. Set your camera to photo or video mode. Tap the menu button, navigate to photo or movie shooting menu. Find the white balance submenu and choose one of the following modes. Auto. This mode automatically adjusts the white balance according to the current lighting conditions to achieve natural colors in your shots. Natural Light Auto. Use this mode for soft, natural tones when you want to maintain the natural atmosphere of your shots in natural light. Direct Sunlight. If you're shooting under direct sunlight, this mode will emphasize the bright and saturated colors of your shot. Cloudy. Select this mode to create soft and even tones on cloudy days to maintain the natural look of the shot. Shade. If shooting in the shade, this mode adds warm orange and pink tones to make the image cozier. Incandescent. Use this mode to correct cool, bluish tones when shooting under incandescent lighting. Fluorescent. This mode balances colors under fluorescent lighting to avoid a greenish tint in your shots. Adjust the exposure and take the shot or start recording video using the selected white balance. That's all.